everybody! It's SpongeBob Ice Pants! Looks like Patrick wants to know what's the scoop. We could use all this to make a sundae. But SpongeBob should go back to the water. I think we accidentally invited all of Bikini Bottom over. But it's no fun just standing around in the sand. Why don't we make you something really fun? We'll make you a fun slide, complete with your faces on top. Let's add on a little stairway to heaven. Let's have SpongeBob and Patrick try each other's slides. Something tells me that they liked it. Let's go again. Ooh, looks like Sandy Cheeks wants to try. But our karate-chopping Aquanaut wants a real challenge. We'll build you a slide with levels. And seashells. But it needs something else.
What?
Wormy! You can help us.
Ew.
But there's always room for growth. Aw, they grow up so fast, don't they? And just look at how stretchy you are. That'll come in handy. Don't forget something to help Sandy climb up. I mean, she's a squirrel. Climbing's in her nature. Of course, what goes up has got to come down. Uh-oh! Go away, angry cloud. Let's hope he doesn't bring friends. You know, you'd think the weather would be nice underwater. Well, no cloud can rain on our parade or next crafting project. Not sure what it is exactly, but it involves rocks. Add color. And give it a good shake. Now that's an improvement. We'll need more liquid. Oh, thank you, Squidward. Fill her up. Now these bottles could use a little makeover. Complete with straws. And a new clay cover. You know, Squidward helped us, so let's give back. Doesn't this look familiar? It's his house. Add some sand and more rocks to help it blend in. Step on it, Squidward. Try our new outdoor shower. Ooh, jellyfishing! SpongeBob and Patrick's favorite. Did you guys forget to bring your net? A hook? Mr. Krabs warned us about you. But maybe we could still put it to good use. Cover it up with twine and add a net. Soon, we'll be able to scoop these jellies on their way. Here, why don't we take you to meet some new friends? And I think we can draw up some snacks for you guys.
What?
Wow, I guess there really is a chicken of the sea. Ooh, an egg. But it could use a splash of blue. Heard of a sky full of stars? Well, how about a sea? And we've got the perfect arch for it. Add some corner coral. Here, guys, now you can see all your friends from a safe distance. Of course, sometimes it really is best to reach out. Don't be naughty, Gary. SpongeBob's collecting those bottle caps. Besides, it's more fun to make it into our own Ferris wheel. but we should really make something to stand it up.
Nah.
'Cause otherwise, it'll just be a pinwheel. Grab a flip-flop. Let's just say I've got an idea. And I think it will really help Gary learn to like bottle caps. Bring them together. And Gary's our brand new water wheel. Now who says that snails are slow? See? I told you Gary would like it. Ooh, SpongeBob and Patrick are hungry. 3 a.m. already? Don't worry. And it looks like sponges have got to stick together. In fact, everything's just a little bit better when it's a sponge. Like our handy new burger vending machine. Which means we're gonna need some tiny patties. Of course, our sponge chef should really dress for the job. Here, SpongeBob, want to try our maiden patty? Don't worry, Patrick won't be too far behind. Ooh, he's thirsty, but you can't drink pool water. We could whip you up a pink lemonade stand. Then again, variety is the spice of life. So why don't we include a whole bunch of flavors? Grape, strawberry, apple, and orange. That drink already looks pretty solid. But drinks reach room temperature sooner than you think. And ice machines always end up paying for themselves. Here, Patrick, have something to wet your whistle. Is this the secret formula? At this point, I say we should just let Plankton have it. Ooh, a reconstructed Krabby Patty. Fancy. You know, making patties sure is hungry work. Wait, this isn't a regular eating patty. We're making a Krabby Patty carousel. Hey, look, a sea bottle. Must be from one of those sea cows. But save the bottle, paint it, and slice it up. From this angle, it kind of looks like sashimi. A worm. And I guess Patrick's not afraid of hooks. Just stay away from tuna cans. Or mayonnaise. Looks like we're sewing this fish back together. So eyes are appreciated. And you can't see without light. And soon, you'll help light up all of Bikini Bottom. Wow! We've got a whole underwater amusement park! Something tells me Glove World's got some serious competition. And all of Bikini Bottom is here for the grand opening. As SpongeBob would put it, it's the best day ever! It's time for a little treasure hunting on the beach. We found something! Quick, grab the colander! Talk about golden! We found Huntrix! We've got 3 little mermaids. Why don't we take you 3 girls home? But don't forget to keep them hydrated. In the meantime, we need to make you an aquarium. Aw, you can practically see how excited they are for it. Only the best sand for our favorite K-pop demon hunting sirens. Of course, even sand can use a good raking. Although Zen gardens have led to this. And what every aquarium needs, a treasure chest.
Wow.
It's filled with a bunch of giant sand dollars. Next, we're gonna need some color. A bunch. Mix them up together and run it through our machine. It'll make it nice and flat. Anyone else expecting pasta? Well, either way, we're making some stuffed shells. We need a nice imprint. Don't forget a nice pearl on top. It's 3 thrones for each of our K-pop queens. Aw, they're sitting on each other's colors. Zoe's upset. She needs some atmosphere. Time to bring out any writer's secret weapon, the 4th wall. Why don't we add some cool stained glass artwork? Of course, we need it to be Huntrix coated. And I'm pretty sure some colors wouldn't hurt either. Our favorite K-pop demon hunting girls deserve the whole rainbow. Wow, this is a real work of art. Okay, girls, get ready for your new backdrop. Aw, Zoe's perked up, but Rumi's hungry. And our stars deserve their food to be fresh. So we should really start right at the seed. Don't forget, we need to water them. Not too much. Wow, talk about fast food. And it's a pineapple. Open it up. Ooh, did you find SpongeBob? No, but at least we've got all these cool blocks. Why don't we whip up the girls a fun little food stand? Topped with some top ramen. Not to mention, a few photos of our favorite customers-to-be. Of course, they're gonna need something to wash down their snacks with. We're open, complete with a friend from Sprunkyland to help out. Come on, girls, you 3've got a date with some noodles. It's got pepper and spice and everything nice. Hey, Sussy's got a delivery for us. A pipe by airmail. Why don't we split it down the middle? The crown is heavy, but the queen is strong. Either way, the crown jewel should have some fun. So let's use them in our latest craft. Ease on down the gem-encrusted road. Especially since it's actually a slide. And look, it rains gems. Where's my bucket? Wow, all this crafting is thirsty work. Hold on, that straw, it gives me an idea. We can use it to round out our new playground. And make the girls a fun swing set. But the girls are used to a bit of luxury. So make sure there's plenty of room to relax. And we want this set looking its fanciest. We'll get the coolest plants straight from the sea to decorate it. This coral is just what we need. And these sea leaves add just the right touch of green. Add some seashells. I hear they sell them by the seashore. And it looks like Mira wants to be our first customer. Uh-oh, didn't quite stick the landing, did she? Don't worry, your tinfoil hat is just what we need. Wow, headgear is really coming in handy today. Now let's cover it all up with some chewing gum cobblestones. Why don't we add a nice layer of blue deep down? Then add a layer of smooth stones around the rim. Now we can fill it up with our leftover shells. And gravel. Thanks, Derpy. Just what we need. Epoxy resin. This will keep our shells in place forever and ever. Just add a faucet, and we've got ourselves a new bathtub. Here, Mira, you can clean yourself up, and you've even got your very own sponge to help. Next, grab a straw and make some cuts toward the end. Throw on some googly eyes, and it's a seahorse. And you can't forget its loopy tail. That was so much fun. Why don't we make a whole bunch? Up next, yeah! I was hoping we'd have pasta today. Collect some in a little plastic bag. And mix in some of our special pink sauce. Shake it up and give it a chance to soak it up. Stick them in some clay to make our very own coral. Of course, we can't forget the final touch. Our aquarium is gonna need some aqua. That means water. Now our mermaid queens can swim around to their heart's content. We made sure everything's waterproof, right? Either way, come on in, girls. The water's fine. Life sure is better down here where it's wetter. Anyway, I hope they like their ramen with extra water.